Hello students, today we start a new topic in module number 5 special work. Topic name is acoustical construction. Now in acoustical construction we discuss about what is acoustical construction, then after types of acoustic materials, then after property of acoustic material, uses of acoustic material and acoustic material available in a market, and we discuss about acoustic material application areas. So today we start this lecture with introduction about the acoustic acoustical construction. So let's we start our new topic. So first, what is acoustical construction? So when the sound intensity is more, then it gives the greater trouble or a nuisance to a particular area like auditorium, cinema hall, studio recordation center, entertainment hall, colleges, reading hall, etc. Hence it is very important to make the area or a room to be soundproof by using suitable material is called a acoustics material. So here these acoustic material are used to absorb the sound and or reduce the sound, and this acoustic material is available in a market in a minimum cost, and it is measured, sound is measured in a decibel, and the acoustics material play a important role in a various building construction like in a studio, classroom, reading hall, cinema, theaters, or more concentration is required to listen. Hence the acoustic treatment is provided so as to control the outside as well as inside sound of the various building until such the sound will be audible without any nuisance or disturbance. So it's a main important thing of the acoustical construction. Now in the next slide we discuss about types of acoustic material. So here there are different types of the material generally used as a acoustic material like acoustic plaster, acoustic tiles, perforated plywood and fibrous plasters, straw board, pulp board, compressed fiber board, hair felt, then after cork board slab, foam glass, asbestos cement board, thermocol, foam plastic, chipboards, gasket cork sheets, hair felt, and acoustic foam. Now here also some of the product name of acoustic material are listed as below. So acoustic pack deluxe, then after acoustic pack standard, acoustic pack Antec Sonata 1 and 2, acoustic pack C6607, and acoustic case C6607, and acoustic barrier mass, and vinyl acoustic barrier blocks. So these are the different material used as a acoustic material in a acoustic construction. Now we discuss in the next slide about a property of acoustic material. So here sound energy is captured and absorbed, it's a first property, and it has a low reflection and high absorption of the sound. So here reflection is low and absorption is higher as compared to normal plaster or normal surface, and higher density improve the sound absorption efficiency at a lower frequency like 1 kilohertz, and higher density material help to maintain a low flammability performance. Hence the acoustic material should have a higher density, and it control the sound and noise level from the machinery and other sources for environment and environment and regulatory compliance, and it reduce the energy of the sound waves as they pass through, and its superpress echo and reverberation re- resonance and reflection is created. Now in the next slide we discuss about use of the acoustic material. So acoustic material can be used for the noise reduction and noise absorption, and it make a sound more durable, which is clear to listen without any disturbance. And important specification for the noise reduction and noise absorption product include the noise attenuation and noise reduction coefficient. Now a vinyl acoustic barrier blocks control the airborne noise like a street traffic noise, uh, voice music from the passing from the wall, ceiling or a floor. Now acoustic foam and acoustic ceiling tiles absorb the sound so as to minimize the echo and reverberation within a room, and soundproof door and window are designed to reduce the transmission of a sound. So here we sometime in uh, building techniques such as a double wall construction or a cavity wall construction, staggering wall stud can improve the soundproofing of a room, and a soundproof wall can incorporate soundproofing and acoustic material to meet the desired sound transmission class value. Now here different acoustic material available in a market. So here we take 12 types of the acoustic material. So first is basotec. So one by one we discuss on it. Second is sound fiber rock. Then after third is dmp2 damping mat. Fourth is damping mat dm3, dm5, dm5a, dm10, and sound fiber poly. Sixth is insulation blankets. Seventh is barrier mats, and eight is sound legs, and ninth is sound form S. 10th is a sound form O, and basotile, and 12th is a soft sound acoustic panel. So one by one we discuss on it. First is basotec. So here see this photograph. So in this photograph we exactly seen the material of the basotec, which is used as a soundproof material. Basotec is light in a weight and opal cell form, which is made from melamine resin, and it is flexible, easy to handle, and easy to cut and install. So it is available in the form of the sheet and also available in a pre-cut or a profile to size and shape, and the natural color of the form is a light gray color, and although it is also available in a range of functional or a decorative facing and fabrics. So in this figure you exactly seen like a pyramid type of the face is upper surface is seen on a basotec material. So it is designed for use in a thermal and acoustic insulation applications. Now second type of the material is a sound fiber rock. So sound fiber rock, you see the photograph, is made for non-combustible rock fiber. So in this material is made by the non-combustible rock fiber, and it is available in four different thicknesses, and also available in a slab of the different size, like one size is 1000 by 600 mm, means 100 centimeter by 60 centimeter. Sheets are available, and slabs can also be supplied as a part of an acoustic composite product with a lead or polymer barrier. Now third type of the material used as a acoustic material is a dmp2 damping mat. So dmp2 damping mat are light in weight, and it is designed for use as a acoustic applications where high level of the vibration damping is required. So here see this photograph is it's a thin sheet, and it is available in a standard size of the 1600 mm to 1000 mm or die cut to shape. So here also we prepare we design as per the our requirement. So Dmp2 damping mat. Now damping mats of the DM3, DM5, DM5A, DM10. So here different type of the damping mats are available. So damping mats are manufactured from a bitumen with added mineral fibers and synthetic rubber forming highly viscous production, and it is available in a four standard grades, as you seen is as a DM3, DM5, DM5A, DM10. So it's a four standard grades, and damping mats come with a self-adhesive backing. So here see this photograph, it's available in the form of these sheets and easy to handle. Now next type of the material is a sound fiber poly. So it is manufactured from non-irritating water repellent polyester fiber, and it is designed for use in acoustic and thermal insulation application, and it can be supplied in a sheet form a pack of the 10 or cut to a specified size and shape, and it can be supplied in a fabric wrap form for architectural applications or with other performance enhancing facing. Now in this figure you exactly seen, it's a bunch of the sound fiber poly sets, and next material is insulation blankets. So there are two type of the insulation blankets with name of the SCL and SCP. So there are noise insulation uh, blanket size of the 2000 mm by 1200 mm, or can be supplied individually and also prepared as per our requirement. And these blanket are also available in a different color. So as you seen in a figure, so in a figure you seen a different color. These blankets are fixed on a wall, and it absorb the sound and use as a acoustic material. Now next seven type of the material as a acoustic material is a barrier mats. So here this mat, it consists of a thermoplastic polymer with a mineral fiber, and making it an extremely durable and flexible product. So here see this figure, in this figure you exactly seen, generally barrier mats are available in the thickness of the 2.5 mm to 4.5 mm thickness are available, and in the form of the sheets or mats, these type of the barrier mats are available in the market. Now eight type of the material is sound legs. So here sound leg L and P are the two types of the noise insulation blanket, and sound leg L is manufactured from the two layers of the glass fiber with uh, lead core and reinforced glass O foil vapor barrier outer covering, and the inner layer of the glass fiber is quite with screen banking to prevent the fiber breakout, and this type of the material is generally cover the pipes. So here also available in a circular shape or seed shapes, and upper surface is pyramid type of the shape is seen. Now ninth type of the material, acoustic material, is a sound form S. So it is flexible open cell polypropylene form, offering excellent sound absorbing quality over the wide range of frequency, and it is available plain or self adhesive bag, and it is easy to handle and cut and install, and it can be available in the form of the sheets from 6 mm to 100 mm in the form of thickness, and it is available in a different size and shape, and also available in a black and white color, and also available as a part of the acoustic composite product with lead polymeric barrier or damping sets. Now 10 type of the acoustic material is a sound form O. So it is flexible open cell polythene form, offering excellent sound and absorbing quality over a wide range frequency, and it is available in a plain or a self adhesive back, and it is easy to handle and cut, and it is available in a different size as per the our requirement. So see this figure here, two layers of the sound form O is available. Now 11th is material is a basso tile. So these tile are designed for adhering on to existing flat wall and ceilings, and it is manufactured from a lightweight open cell class O melamine form, and these tile are designed to improve the acoustic insulation by absorbing the airborne noise, and these tiles are 50 mm thick, and chamfered eggs on the facing side, and the natural color of the tiles is white, and it can be made the tiles pre-sprayed with a flexible self-adjusting PVC coating. So see this figure, these tiles are in a white color. Now 12th type of the material, acoustical material, is a soft sound acoustic panels. So here these acoustic panel are used for reducing in a room noise level, and it has a excellent finishing appearance in a class A fire rated building material. So here these type of the designing panels are used as a soft sound acoustic panels. Now in a next slide we discuss about the acoustic applications area. So here acoustic are applied in different areas like home theater acoustics, wall soundproofing, ceiling soundproofing, studio acoustics, floor and football soundproofing. Then after office and conference room acoustics, door soundproofing, pipe soundproofing, uh, gymnasium and multi-purpose and acoustics, vibration and isolation acoustic, and acoustic ceiling tiles, church and place of the worship acoustic, and restaurant and lodge acoustic, and industrial acoustic. So these are the different applications of the acoustic material. Now here we complete our topic acoustical construction. In a next lecture we discuss about anti-termite treatment. Thank you.